In today's video, I'm going to teach you Fog of War on chess.com how to play. First, let's get you into the variant. From the main play tab on chess.com, select variants, then choose Fog of War. That loads the special rule set automatically, so you won't have to tweak anything else. Before you begin, pick a time control that matches your comfort level. A popular choice is 3 plus 2, which gives you 3 minutes with a 2-second increment per move. But you can also join an open arena if you want continuous games and a rotating field of opponents. Once your time is set, hit start and you're in. Here's what makes Fog of War unique. When the game begins, you'll only see your own pieces and the squares they can legally move to. Everything beyond that is covered by fog. Think of it as playing chess with limited vision. Your pieces illuminate the board only where they could step or capture. That also means you won't see your opponent's pieces unless they enter a square your piece could interact with. As you move, your view updates, but anything outside your piece's reach stays hidden. The winning condition is different from standard chess. There is no check or checkmate. You win by capturing the enemy king. Because of that, the interface won't warn you about checks, and king safety becomes a responsibility you manage on your own. Your king can move into attacked squares or even remain on them, so stay vigilant and assume there may be threats you can't see. A few piece-specific notes will help you navigate the fog. Pawns reveal whether the square directly in front of them is blocked, but not what's occupying it. If you make a diagonal capture, the captured piece is revealed for that turn, giving you a brief snapshot of what you just took. Knights are especially powerful here. They jump to reveal hidden squares in a unique pattern and are harder for long-range pieces to detect until it's too late, making them excellent scouts and surprise attackers. Castling works differently too. In this variant, you're allowed to castle even if your king is currently under attack or passes through danger. Use that flexibility to coordinate your rooks and reposition your king, but remember the fog can hide risks, so castle with a plan. To bring it all together, start in the variants menu, choose your time control or an arena, and play with the mindset that information is limited. Illuminate the board with purposeful moves, use knights to scout, probe with pawns, and protect your king proactively. Keep your eyes on the ultimate goal, find and capture the enemy king.